Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. In today's episode, what we are going to do is we are going to compare various type of mics and check what is the best mic uh, is affordable to you and which you can go ahead and use for making your videos or for live streaming. And this will be a comparison of basic mics. So I'm not going to use any headphones or not even I'm going to check the computer recording for the natural mic in the computer. We are going to go ahead and use some a basic normal mic which is affordable for everyone to a certain level and check which mic will be better sounding and which one you can go ahead and try. So let's go ahead and start checking the various type of mics which you can go ahead and use. So let's start with that. Okay guys, for this first, what we are going to do is we are going to go ahead and use various type of mics. As you can see over here, we do have a wireless mic over here, which is a dynamic wireless mic. You do have a switch on and off button in this, and we'll be checking this out. And this is the receiver for that. And secondarily, we'll be also checking a dynamic vocal mic, which I have over here. And you can see this has a dynamic range, and we'll be checking this also out. And the basic one, a collar mic also. We'll be checking how good this one sounds also, whether it is sounding good or not. We'll be checking that. And last but not the least, the mic which I'm using over here. I'll just check whether you're able to see this. Yeah, this is a Maona mic. I do have the box of this also over here because I ordered a second one also. I'll be doing an unboxing for that. We'll be checking this, the mic, how it looks. If you can see here, this is the mic, which I have already one of them. So I'll be testing this mic quality also. And now you are able to hear the quality from the Maona mic. This is an good mic because it is connected to the sound box of Maona and sound card, and it gives a good sounding clarity also in this. So this one is my first main mic. So as you can see, let me remove this. You'll be able to hear some disturbance while I'm taking this out. So this is a condenser mic which I'm using, and it has a very good sound input for any of the condenser mic. It goes like from an XLR port over here to a 3.5 jack on my Mahona Caster Pro. So it is connected with that. So if you do want to see the Caster Pro, let me just go ahead and try showing you that. So in this camera, you'll be able to see that. So in this camera, you'll be able to see that this is the Mahona Caster Pro over here. This is the Caster Pro which you're able to see, and behind the mic is connected over here. There is a 3.5 jack. It is connected to that. So let's head back to this camera. So first we'll be checking the dynamic mic over here. As you can see over here, I do have a tripod over, I mean, a mic stand over here. So the quality in this will be like kind of good only. It won't be that bad also. But we will just go ahead and check it. It works on battery over here. So you do have some problem with the battery if the battery finishes off. But apart from that, we will just try the sound quality of this and check how good it sounds when you go ahead and put this on. So The mic has been connected now, and we will switch to this mic now, and you'll be able to hear how good this mic is sounding. So this is connected over here. So let's go ahead and connect this to the PC and check how good this is. This is like coming with a TRSS input, so you can get a converter like this to 3.5 mm, and we will go ahead and check this mic now. Okay guys, so the mic is connected now to this mic, which you're able to check, and you can hear the difference of this mic with the previous mic. Previous was the best mic we had, and this is the second mic which we are hearing the sound through, and this is the wireless mic. So even I don't know whether it's working properly or not, so we are just checking this whether it's working, and you're able to hear some voice in it. So let's go to the third mic, which would be a dynamic vocal mic. So first of all, I'll just tell you, this one charges about 2000 bucks, this mic, the main mic which I'm using, and this one is about 1200 something. And next we are going to a dynamic mic, which is about 1000 rupees only. So let's go ahead and hear the sound of that also and how it sounds. Okay guys, now so this is the third mic, which is a dynamic mic which we are using. As you can also hear properly, the sound is less in this, just like this mic which had some disturbance also, the wireless mic, because wireless mics usually have that problem of that disturbance coming through because they go in a UHF range, and even this mic will not be that suitable enough if you do a proper streaming. So you can see the proper recording also, the mic sound quality is also less in this. You can hear that, or maybe you're not even able to hear me over here. So let's switch to the other mic. Okay guys, so this is the last mic I'm testing over here, and this is a collar mic which is directly connected to my Panasonic Lumix, as you can go ahead and check that out. And this is the quality of that, and this quality is better than any time better than the quality which I got with my other mics over here, or even okay, so the quality of this mic is better than those mics which I had tested already, and this mic is actually a little bit better than those, but nothing can beat the quality of the Maona mic which I'm using. So let's go ahead and switch back to that. Okay guys, so now you've gone ahead and checked all the mics which I showed you, the Maona mic, the normal collar mic, which was actually better than most of the mics which I've used, and the dynamic mic, and also the wireless mic. So these are the basic mics which you can go ahead and try using. But a condenser mic with a sound card is always better than using any of the mics, because the sound card can give you more effects than even a normal mic. If you connect it to a sound card, you can go ahead and adapt to the effects like this. Easily, you can adapt to the effects. You can go ahead and do various effects like this also. And you can and you can also add the gain volume also in it by increasing the gain in the sound card itself. So the condenser cardioid mic which I'm using is nothing but Maona. It comes for 1899. That is not, but just $12-13. And if you connect it to your sound card together, it comes to a package of 5,000 rupees only. And you don't need any phantom power or anything to be attached to it. That's the advantage you get along with it. I did order another one which I will be unboxing in my next video. Let me show you that one. This one, yeah. This is the mic which I'll be unboxing in my next video, and I'll be showing you how good it is. So until next time, if you did like this video, please do go ahead and like and subscribe for the channel. If you have any concerns regarding the video, please go ahead and mention any of your doubts below so that I can go ahead and help you with that. Until next time, this is Kamal and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you have a wonderful day there.